Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Tony in Georgia on the Stryker SR-447hpc2. Tony got it ready to go, our tune alignment and the Toshiba voltage regulator. Let's start with our power all the way down. 50 watt slug. 2 watts all the way down in case you decide to run an amp, you got full adjustability. 15 all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Hello, 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 audio. About 45 bird. 100 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. About 88 peak. Alright, Tony's ready to come to you, man. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Boom, boom.
Get wise and get truckerized today.